kunezinto ekufuneka uwe isithi inyama umuntu ophilayo obaleka igazi emzimbeni akakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwalento. Usidinaye those pleasures zikhona njengokuthi kuzovalela amantombazane ungazuba khona ozawuthi amantombazane ube kanjani. Uzayibona inhle ubulise kube kulwathi githa. But this one man amadoda la udenied themselves first basibonele ekuthini we are nothing. Look at Peter when he was about to be crucified. Bazobethela uPetros babesaba ulungisile ungamlesi bemisolisa uPetros bayakadamisa bathimba uzawujika kube beyithetha ngoKristu bathimba uzawukhayikho yonke laa nto zandithetha isithi uKristu kawanibala amathimba babeyithimba uzawujika kwinto ethi namazulu alindisipuni somlilo ayethimba uzawujika ayesithi there's another kingdom babethimba uzawujika ayesithi nyababononelo nyababonelophetheyo but there's King Jesus. Man, I'm not worthy. I cannot suffer the same death as my Lord. And God's roof, then the Nimosiam, may I find out. And Kukulanu Names, Newton Jesus. Kukulanu Names, Newton Jesus. Names of Sons. Kakani nibonwe umanina ningumphasi Kristu njengokumnqamleza ujonge phezulu imideni ujonge phansi urepresent u-Antichrist and u-Antichrist umoya osebenza kwixesha esiphila kulo umoya influencer behind the influence of the spirit of Jezebel. uJezebel wayekhona ixesha labaprofethi umoya wayefasela the prophetic office. That is the same spirit. That is the way. Kodwa kunabandla ekhowe uyawazona amaniko lawo njengami imfundiso zikaJezebel wasikhuphela ngaphandle saba ngaphandle asabi nandawo enkonzweni kaThixo. For that I have remembered your ways. Amen. Uthi Johane uthi besingathini nakamakatheni silingu-Antichrist omnye umuntu ozawuvela athi ndingu-Antichrist. Kodwa uthi uJohane yendibona isimanga basuke baba baninzi abanye bebephakathi kwethu namhlanje singababethu ngoba uba ningabethu ngebabehleli nathi ngebeselapho namhlanje ngaba bayimele ivangeli omnye beshumayela kakuhle wayeoperate eBible school wabuye phethe imfundiso singayaziyo efuthi simfundiso siyifundisayo. Shokhona mahombosi there was hunger for 3.5 years. It's a Bible, Mazangi born into Chiswenje.